Now that gets us to the opportunity. Now, what is an opportunity? An opportunity is something that down the road is going to pay dividends if you invest in it. Also, opportunity is something that we don't know if it's going to work in our favor or not. And we talked about this company before, but Google is the opportunity of your investment lifetime. Google, the number one and number two most popular search engines. We all use Google. Now Google has Google AI, which is like Google on steroids. It was a lot of clinky things about Google, but that's been solved because of Google AI. But then there's YouTube. As more people go to YouTube, more people cut the cord. We cut the cord 2 years ago, not looking back ever since. Some of those baby boomers, as they find ways to cut prices every single day, they're going to be cutting the cord, going to YouTube, going to YouTube TV. You think their stock is going to go up or down because of that? Of course up. They have found a way to make chips inexpensively because of their contractual agreement with Intuit. And now they're getting completely into AI with chips, with memory, with cloud, and even with data. And these huge data centers that Google are now in the process to create, they have an advantage because nobody has more data on anybody than Google. Remember, they have the first and the second highest search engines in the world. Now, it was a time come last year where people month by month slowed down on how much they searched. Last year was the first time where new searches in Google slowed down. So because of more competition, it is a slowness. But YouTube every single month is going up. YouTube TV every single month is going up. And because of their contractual agreement with the NFL, NBA, sports in particular, and now the World Cup being exclusively on YouTube TV, their profits for the second quarter is going to grow like crazy, in my opinion. And look at the charts. I mean, last 10 years, Jiminy Christmas. 80% a year, can't beat it. Last 5 years, wow, 200%, 40% a year, can't beat it. Last year, struggling, 100% over the past 1 year, that's not struggling. Year to date, look at that, up by 14%, based on as good as the market. The past 6 months, up by 20%, and this month, down by 10%. My friends, I told you, an opportunity is something where you don't know what's going to happen in the future, but you think it's going to be a great investment. When Google was up by 100% this time last year, I'm pretty sure a lot of people said, man, if this goes down by 10%, it is a buy, it is a steal. Because down by 10 means it gets back to where it was. That's a 20% gain. Google right now is a steal. Google will eventually get back to where it was. Google right now at $360 a share, in my opinion, is going to be easily a $500 share stock in the next 3 years. That means that is a 33% gain from here. When is going to happen? A year, 2 years, 4 years from now. But by 2030, this could easily be a $500 stock. And are you going to be upset that you made 33% a year? Of course not. You have the ability to literally invest in the top 2 search engines that's collecting all the data. And now they're going to house that data and sell that to companies. They kind of do now, but they're really going to do it from a data center standpoint. And you don't think Google stock is going to soar because of that? Not a recommendation, just information. But we're definitely buying some Google for my clients for sure, especially using the cliff dip bear strategy because it's down by 10%. If it goes down by 20%, oh my goodness gracious.